Hello and welcome to our innovaphone community. Here you can test innovaphone myApps with its different functions and apps from the cloud and entirely free of charge. Click on the symbol All Apps at the bottom right to view a list of all apps available within the community. Simply click on the house symbol next to an app to add this app to your home screen. You can adjust and sort apps and groups on your home screen as you please via drag and drop. A little warning, we sometimes take the liberty to reorganize the home screen, for example if there is an event. Is your soft phone on the community ready to use? If not, you can go ahead and set it up yourself. Please visit our tutorials app and watch the soft phone tutorial to get easy instructions. Would you like to watch additional tutorials on the various apps and basic functions of myApps? Please visit our YouTube channel, our website, or the tutorials app directly within myApps. In addition to getting acquainted with myApps, we also use the innovaphone community for virtual innovaphone events to get in touch with partners and customers and to share news via livestream. In this video, we will be focusing on the interface and important functions when an online event takes place. Our online events take place entirely within our myApps interface of the community. For you to have access to all functions, please use a browser of your choice to log into the innovaphone community. Please do not use the installed launcher or client. All apps are listed under related topics and can be opened by simply clicking onto the respective icon of the app. Your home button is always at the bottom left corner. You can click on your home button to get to your home screen with a general overview. Open apps are displayed on the right-hand side of your home button. You can click on the displayed icons to switch back and forth between the different apps, for example between the livestream and the chat. Click on the X at the top left corner to close the app that is currently opened. Use the agenda to check the dates of upcoming online events and to get a link to a playlist with all livestream recordings. The overview will show you what the interface of our innovaphone community looks like. Here you will also get short descriptions of the individual components. Use the chat to message other users of the innovaphone community. Visit the livestream to watch our live program and our presentations. Within the YouTube window, you can adjust the volume at the bottom left next to the loudspeaker symbol with your mouse. You can also adjust the video quality by clicking onto the gear wheel on the bottom right. Use Slido to ask questions during our live sessions and participate in our live surveys. Edit your profile at the top right corner under Profile and enter your display name for Slido here. Live surveys will pop up automatically once they have been activated. You can also go ahead and click on the tab Polls. If no survey has been activated, you will not see any contents. All virtual conference rooms are listed here. Please check the agenda or your personal invitation to see when and where your respective session starts. Enter the conference room to ask individual questions and to participate in discussion rounds. Simply click on your session or conference room. Enter the conference room by clicking on the handset symbol at the top left, or, when using web access, by clicking on the button Enter Conference. Some sessions will use the color board. This is a virtual whiteboard tool for interactive collaboration. If this is used, you will be notified during your session. Some sessions will also have live surveys. You will receive an ID for the survey within your session. Simply enter this ID to reach the survey. Visit our FAQ to find answers for numerous questions concerning our innovaphone community. You can test your technical equipment and eliminate problems in advance by starting a media test. Once the test has been completed, you can click on Download Results to download the test protocol. If you need help, simply send us this protocol via email. Please send your email to communitysupport@innovaphone.com and enter the subject Innovaphone Community. Should you have any further questions or if you need help, please contact your partner manager or send us a quick email. Should you not be part of our Innovaphone community yet, you can register free of charge straight away. We provided the link in the description below this video. Many thanks for watching and we hope you enjoy our Innovaphone community.